a great choice today with the 2013 Volkswagen Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, CD player, rear window defroster, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, power moonroof, tachometer, overhead console. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.